Hi guys, welcome to PyMath. In today's video, we're going to be solving a problem that appeared on the 2017 Kangaroo contest for grades 5 and 6. The problem was worth 5 marks and it states that John wrote a natural number in each of the 4 boxes in the bottom row of the diagram. Then he wrote in each of the other boxes the sum of the 2 numbers in the boxes immediately underneath. What is the largest number of odd numbers that could appear in the completed diagram? So first let's label the rows. So this could be row 4, row 3, row 2, and row 1. And I just want to make another thing clear. Actually, another 3 things. So first, when we add an odd number and an even number, we always get an odd number. You can try this out at home with any of your favorite odd numbers or even numbers. You always get an odd number. Next, if we add an odd number with another odd number, or an even number with another even number, you get even numbers. We'll keep this in mind for the diagram. So immediately, the most common first thought would be to do this. Why, you might ask, is because it gets the most amount of odd numbers in row 2, which is this row. Because if we do this, the sum of these 2 numbers will be odd. The sum of these 2 numbers will be odd. The sum of these 2 numbers will be odd. But here we run into a problem, because all the remaining numbers would be even. This is because when we add the 2 odd numbers, we always get even number. So when we do this, we only get even numbers in the resulting boxes. So this is definitely not the most amount of odd numbers possible. So I'll just erase all of this. Another possibility is to do this. This is because it does get odd numbers into row 3. This is because when you add an even odd, you get odd. When you add even and even, you get even. When you add odd and even, you get odd. Now when you add these 2, you get odd. When you add these 2, you get odd. And then you get even here. Now, even though this is pretty good, ideally you would want to have an odd number in the top row. The way we do this is, I'll explain it after I erase it, but basically all you have to do is lay out the numbers like this. So first in this, we'll get an odd number, then an even number, then odd, then odd. This is because when we do this, we get odd, an odd number here, an odd number here, and an even number here. The reason I've done this is because for this we get an odd number and an even number. So that means we get an odd number in the top box. So when adding these 2 we get even, and when we add these 2 we get an odd number. And when we add the numbers in row 3, we get an odd number. Now this is the maximum amount of odd numbers possible. And if you count that up, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which means D is the answer. So what you want to do for this problem is try to get an even and an odd number in the second last row, or in this case, row 3. And that's the key to solving this problem. If you do that, you can solve any problem that's like this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. It really helps a lot. And again, thanks for watching.